What's the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear the name Prince Arthur Eze? Wealth, influence, royalty? Well, buckle up because we're about to dive into the latest gist surrounding one of Nigeria's most prominent billionaires. He has the title as the richest Igbo billionaire alive. Welcome to Ebony People TV, where we bring you all the juicy details about influential figures and their impact across the Southeast region. Prince Arthur Eze, a man who needs no introduction in the world of business, is once again making headlines. For those who don't know, Arthur Eze is not just any businessman, he's the CEO of Atlas Oriental Petroleum, the largest privately owned petroleum exploration and production company in Nigeria. That's right. This Anambra-born Mughal has been a key player in the oil and gas sector, amassing a fortune that places him among the richest people in Africa. And let's not forget, Prince Arthur Eze comes from a royal home in Anambra State. His status as both a prince and a billionaire has solidified his position as one of Nigeria's most influential personalities. But it's not just his wealth that keeps him in the spotlight. It's his investments and contributions to regional development in Igbo land. The latest, the Oranto International Airport Hotel, located in Enugu State. This new venture has been the talk of the town since its inauguration yesterday. The hotel was launched by Governor Peter Umba, who couldn't hide his excitement, even taking to his X, formerly Twitter, account to express his enthusiasm. While we are still waiting to see the interiors of the hotel, the exterior alone is a showstopper. It screams luxury. The design screams luxury, elegance, and sophistication. Exactly what you would expect from someone of Prince Arthur Eze's caliber. This new hotel isn't just another feather in his cap, it's a strategic piece in a much larger puzzle. The Oranto International Airport Hotel is perfectly positioned near the Akano Ibiam International Airport and is set to play a key role in Governor Peter Mba's ambitious vision for Enugu State. This includes operationalizing the airport, launching Enugu Air, and attracting over 3 million visitors annually. With this hotel, Prince Arthur Eze is not just building a business, he's shaping the future of Enugu as a major hub in Nigeria. Think about it, a royal businessman from Anambra State making such a huge impact in Enugu State. This is what it should be, right? It's not every day you see that kind of regional collaboration and vision for growth. What do you think about this new investment by Prince Arthur Eze? Have you seen the hotel yet? What's your take on its role in transforming Enugu State? Drop your comments below and we'd love to hear your thoughts. Prince Arthur Eze has once again proven that he's not just a businessman but a visionary leader. With the Oranto International Airport Hotel, he set a new standard for luxury and innovation. Stay tuned to Ebony People TV for more updates on this remarkable story and other exciting developments across the Southeast. Don't forget to always like, share, and subscribe to keep the conversation going. And like I would always say, if you absolutely love what we bring to your screens every single day, do well to make a subtle donation, more like an involuntary donation, to the account number now showing on your screens. I will see you in our next video. Bye.